Hi everyone, let me walk you through the installation process and how to use Comet Invite Hunter effectively. Go to getcomet.me, click on this Get Comet Invite Hunter from Chrome. You will be taken to Chrome Web Store, add to Chrome and click Add Extension. Once it is added, pin it to the bookmarks bar so that it is easy to accessible and you can see the status of the extension clearly. Now click on the extension. I highly recommend to change the refresh interval from 60 seconds to 30 seconds so that the extension refreshes the Twitter search frequently and there is high chance to get an invite. Once this is done, click on Start Monitoring. It will open the Twitter search where it finds commit invites and it opens all the links that are here. So it passes all the tweets with all the perplexity links and it opens each link, each invite and see if it is claimed or unclaimed. And it will update the status of the invites accordingly here. So how this works is when the next refresh comes to 0, it will refresh the whole tab again. And if it sees, it looks for a new tweet that contains perplexity claim URL. And if there is one, it will open and see if it is unclaimed. And if it is unclaimed, then it will send you a notification saying, hey, alert net, new commit invite available, check now. So to give an example, if I open the link that is on there, so this invite is claimed. But as soon as if there is a new invite that is unclaimed, the tab will stay open. If it is claimed, it will the extension closes the tab automatically because that's this invite is of no use. But if it finds a new invite that is unclaimed, it will just keep this tab open and it will send you a notification so that you can quickly get to this tab and claim the invite. Now I want to give you a quick notes. So what first thing is you don't want to close this tab. So once you close this tab, the hunter stops monitoring. So let's see if I close this. If you see the search icon is gone, which means the status is stopped. If that happens anytime, you can like just do start monitoring again. It will like pick off from where it stopped. And if you face any issues or if you need any new features, you can go to getcommit.me, scroll down to the footer. Under quick links, you have a support button. Click on this, and you can report a bug or ask for a feature request. I will be more than happy to help. If you want to connect with me or if you want to know what is happening on Comet Invite Hunter, post I post about the updates and best use cases to use the Comet Invite Hunter regularly on my Twitter. Feel free to follow there, or you can just DM me also if you have any issues. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for trying out Comet Invite Hunter. I wish you get an Comet Invite Hunter very soon. See you.